Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing part 48 POS System in Laravel 11.0 Cell. Laravel 11 Cell Search Relationship and Paginate. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this is a database name POS underscore system, and this is a sales table. Sales table inside this available this member ID, and this is user ID is a relationship. This is a inside this available. This is a ID wise relationship is a available. This is a user ID means this ID wise is a relationship is a implementation. This is a 3 and 4 and 2 this is a relationship, and this is a my project. This project is available inside this CMD open this directory gem folder htdoc direct, and this is a project. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server successfully this is a run, and this is a project is already open. This my Sublime text editor, this is a already open. Let's run. This URL is a run. This is a successfully working fine. This URL. Let's password admin. Password is a 123456789, and click this login and not now. Not now, successfully working. Let's click this sales list. Sales list inside this search filter is a implementation. This is a relationship is a available. This relationship is a available. Please check this previous video. First of all, this is a URL is a copy, and this is a find this URL route inside this web.php, and this is a URL is a available. This URL and this same copy and sales control is already implementation inside app http controller, and this is a sales controller. This is a successfully this available sales controller is a successfully available. Let's write down sales inside this list file. Resource view sales, and this is a list file. This is a list file is a successfully open. Let's inside this search bar, and this is a all data is a available. This is a join query is a implementation. This is a relationship is a implementation. Previous video please check, and this is otherwise this is a lost of doubt your mind. Let's first of all this is an inside this search filter is a implementation. First of all this is a cardboard means div is a create div class card div class card title. This is a search means not this card title is a working fine. Search sales, and inside this card div class card header, and this is a scroll down cut in inside this paste here. Successfully set. This is a working fine. Let's form, and this is a tag. This form tag inside this br tag is a implementation br. This is a br, and this is a method is a get method. Div class card body, div class row, div class form group call md1 label, and this is a id. An input box is a set input tx name is a id. First is id name class form controller, and this is a form controller after placeholder id. Successfully name is a save file, and I refresh this page. Successfully this is a available this id. So let's inside this my miss ending. This is a mistending, and this is a div, and this is a not a good way. Let's implementation. This is a div, this is a cut, and inside this paste here save file. This is a div is a cut, and paste here this card. Let's refresh this page. This is a good. This is ID. First, this is ID is a successfully set. Next, it a member number is a copy. This is the ID is a implementation. This ID. Next is a member name. This ID first is implement. Second is a member ID. This is a member ID is a set. This is a inside this paste here. The same copy, and this is a paste here member ID. This is a member ID, and this is member name. Member name, and the same name is a copy and paste here member name, and this is a 3 number is a set. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is a member name. Next is a total item. Same is a total item is available. Total item, this is the same copy and paste here, and this is a total item. This total item inside this name is a sense total item. Total item, and this is a total item. Successfully save file and refresh this page. Successfully this total item is a set. Next is a this is a u implement, and this is only simple way username. The same name is username, copy and paste here, and this is a username. Username is a set, paste here, and this is a username, and this is a inside this available user ID. This ID is the same copy. User ID is a copy and paste here. Successfully working fine. Inside this 2 button is a implementation. 2 button is a div clear. Both is a implementation. Inside this is a div, and this is a class call md12 style margin top 50 px. Button is a set. URL, and this is a set class btn success reset, and this is a admin sales save file admin sales. This is a admin sales. This is the same URL as a copy, and inside this paste here same URL is a paste here admin sales. Let's refresh this page. Successfully all available. Let's click this search. Is a working is a fine, good working. This is a excellent, and this is the ID is available. This is the name is available. This total item is available. This is a username is available. Let's accepted yes and no is available. Accepted yes and no is a less implementation yes and no, and this is a drop down is a implementation. Let's first of all this is the same is a copy and paste here, and this is a 2 times is a copy and paste, but is a not a working. Let's inside this is only simple way is a 2. This is a working, and this is a 12. This is a fine, successfully available. This is a good working. This is a total item, and this is a name is accepted. This name is a copy, and accepted is this is accepted. Let's same here accepted is the paste here, and this is a remove not use. Select class form controller name is the same name is a copy. Accepted this name is a copy and paste here, and this is the name is a option. Value is a blank. Select accepted. Good working. Next is the same name is a option. Value is a yes, and this is a yes, and this is a no, and this is a no is a set. This no, and successfully no is a set. First of all this is the ID, second is a member ID, this is a total item, this is accepted, and this last is a user ID. this is all is available. ID, member ID, total, item, accepted, and user ID. This is all successfully set. This is a working file. Drop down yes and search. This is only single record. No and search, and this is only single record. This is a good working fine. This other extra add available. So let's new create add, and this is the error. Item is a 78, price is a 96, discount is a 5, and this is a no. Let's select new, and user is a search and submit. Successfully created. Good working. Yes, no, and no. This is a created. This is a next record. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available. Good working. This is a fine. All successfully set. This is a great. This is a implementation. First of all, this is a implementation request message. This request message says open. Inside this is the implementation. This is a close. This is a close, and inside this implementation, Paginate is a implementation. Paginate is a implementation. Paginate. Otherwise, this is the same here as it is. Let's remove this set, and this $get record as it is a set get record, and this is a set. This copy and paste here $get record. $get record is equal to this record is a way, and this copy $data paste here is equal to $get record and save file, and this is a working fine. Let's write down search start search end. This is a working fine. If this request is already available, $request, this is the first is a ID. This request inside this available, this is the ID is a set, this ID. Next is a set. The same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a where. This is the ID. This is a table name is available, sales table, and this is the ID is a set. This is good, and this is a only simple way is equal to. This is a request ID. Same copy and paste here, and last is a close this. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Good working. 1, 4, and 5. Let's insert this 9 is implement, and this is a not available 9, and click the search, and this is a 9 not available. Inside this 9 remove. Let's 2 number is a click this and search is a not available. This is a pagination is a not working, and this is a less 1 and search, and this is a not this is a 1 is a available. This is a 1, 4, and 5 is available. Less 4 is a selected search, and this search working 4, and this is a 8 is a implementation and search, and this is a not available. But this inside this is a not select this data, in less implementation select row. Less implementation request is a selected data is a set. Value request by ID. Save file. Request by ID and successfully selected. Less 1, 2 number is a search, and this is a selected. Good working. Less 1 is available, and this is a selected. Good working. This 1 number is available. Good working. But this is a 10 is a not available. So less pagination is a implementation. Inside this record not found, pagination is a implementation. Less pagination is a add. Less pagination is a add. Successfully working fine. This is a URL. This is a not available. So less pagination is a implementation. First of all, this is a open. Inside this is the only simple name is just this is a name. This is available Paginate, and this is a successfully this is a set Paginate. only simple way, and this is the inside this paginate is available. Let's 10 record after paginate is a show, and this is a record not show, and this inside this name is a send. This is for less is remove, and this is a for s is a implementation. Only for less. This is a spelling. This is a different spelling. This cut and inside this paste successfully. This is a name is a sense. Inside this is a remove this and paste here, and this is a is empty, and this is a tr, and this call span is a set, and this is a not available, no record found, and save file. Let's save file and refresh this page, reset, click this reset. Inside this is a 1, 4 and 5 available. The less 4 is the implementation, and this is the only simple way is available. This is a error. This is a show. Less 4, 0 is a source, and this is a record is a not a available, and this 4 less is a set. This is a record not found, and this is a good working. This record no record found is successfully working, and this is a 1 is a implement, and this is a working fine. This good, and this 10 is a source, and this source in this is not available and no record found. This is a good. This is all working fine, but inside this pagination, let's set this pagination, and this pagination inside this implementation. First of all, this is a variable is a copy, and inside this paste here, and this pagination is a implementation successfully. This is a please check this cut and paste here. This pagination is a link is a save file. Let's check this pagination is available. Yes, working is a fine, but this is a inside this 1, 4 and 5 record is available. This pagination is a not a show. Pagination is a show after 10 record. Let's inside this 2 record, and this pagination is a show. Let's refresh this page. Working fine. This is a pagination is a show. This 2 record after pagination inside this show, and this is a working fine. This 5 number all good. This pagination is a working fine. 2 record after pagination is a all show. This is a working fine. Let's inside this 1 record and pagination is a show. So let's refresh this page. 1 record and this 3 page is available too. This is a 1 number ID inside this available. This is a 3 number is available. Good working. This click this reset, so but only 1 record is available. Let's 10 record after pagination is a show, and this automatically pagination is a show. 10 record after is a working. Let's step by step. This is a implementation. Let's first of all this is all implementation. Request by inside this request. This first of all this is ID is a implementation. Second is a value is a copy and paste here inside this member ID. This member ID is paste here. Same here, copy and paste here, and this is a paste here total item. Good working, and this same copy and paste here, and this is a user ID. Successfully all set. This is a good working. Inside this implementation, selected value is a set inside request. This is a request is a paste here request, and this is a table name is a accepted is equal to yes. This is a first is a yes is a set. Next is a selected, and this is a blank. Successfully this is a set. Next same copy and paste here, and this is the only no. Save file. Successfully all good. Please write down step by step. Write down all successfully set. Let's insert this open, and this is the working fine. Let's refresh this page, and working fine. This is the all good. Now as it is, and this is the inside this implementation search bar filter. Same here, if request inside this available user first second is a member ID. Same member ID is paste here, and this is a different way. This is one query is $get record is equal to this same name is a copy and paste here inside this cells not available this member, and this is a member name this different way, and inside this is equal to is a remove, and this is a like query is a set like, and this is a dot and percentage, and this is a dot and percentage, and this is the same name is a copy and paste here successfully. Same here copy and paste inside the same here paste here, and this is a username user inside this is a available user id, this user id and this user id, and this is a name is available, this is a user name. All good. This is a user id wise is a, this is a successfully set, unless is a 2 is a available, let's same here copy paste here, and this is a name is available total item, this is a name is a total item and total item, this is a member is a, this is a name is a sales, this is a all good, and last is a available, last here same copy and paste here, and this is a sales means name accepted, this is a name is accepted, same copy and paste here, and this is a paste here and paste here successfully all set. Please write down this step by step, all working fine. Let's refresh this page. Let's this is a name is a copy and paste search is a working fine, this is only simple where this is a working fine aliens, this is working. Let's error and search, and this is a error is a available error, this is a 2 record, and this is a DSSN and search and not a available, this is a fine, and this is a not a available working no record found, and click this search, and same here this is the same here working as it is. Let's same here 770 778 and search, and this is the available total item, all good, this is a working. Same here this is a working fine. This is a yes, it's only yes is available, only single record, and search, and this is only yes only single, and let's no select and search, and this is only no search, not a yes show, this is only 2 record, all good working fine. This is a database query is the implementation, same here this is a user is a search, this is a user is a search, and this is a reset search and working fine, this is only 3 record available successfully. Search is a implementation and working fine only, this is a 3 record, and this is a admin and search, and this is a record search, and this is a not a available, this is a good working fine. This is a all field is a working fine, please write down all good. And this is any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are held to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always available inside this log. Project is available, and this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And this is the table wise is a successfully set. Please write down this is a first of all this function is a write down this sales function, all good. And this is a please write down this step by step, this is a search file is a please write down all successfully set. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.